afternoon everyone, how are we all doing today? Well, it's been a couple of weeks since we last did a baking session, so I thought today you might like to see a recipe for some triple chocolate chip cookies taken from the Willie Harcourt Coos Chocolate Bible. It's a really lovely recipe, it is adaptable so you don't have to have the exact chocolate in that he uses in his book, but it's a really nice mixture. So have a watch, see how you get on and enjoy. Bye for now.
You will need 180 grams of dark chocolate roughly chopped, 100 grams of slightly salted butter or margarine, 130 grams of light muscovado sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 large egg beaten, 120 grams of plain flour, I use gluten-free, 1 teaspoon of baking powder or bicarbonate of soda, and 125 grams each of dark, white and milk chocolate chopped into small chunks. I replaced some of the chocolate with chopped nuts. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Break up your dark chocolate and melt it in a heat-proof bowl set over a pan of gently simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl is not in contact with the water. First, measure out your butter and your sugar and pop them in the bowl together. Beat the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Blend in the vanilla essence, beaten egg and melted chocolate until well combined. Next, weigh out your flour and your baking powder or bicarb of soda. Sieve the mix into a large bowl and transfer the mixture into it, or sieve it straight into the mixture. Stir in your chunks of chocolate until evenly mixed through. If you've decided to add nuts, like I have, you can also stir these in at this point as well. I use scissors to chop my chocolate. I find it's a really quick and easy way to get it added in. If you haven't got any bars of chocolate or cooking chocolate, you could always use leftover Easter eggs to add to your cookies. Spoon heat teaspoons of the mixture onto the prepared baking trays, spacing the spoonfuls about 6 to 8 centimetres apart. Bake in the preheated oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. I made mine slightly bigger, so it may take a little bit longer. When they're ready, remove from the oven and allow to cool completely. They are best eaten on the day they are made, although they can be stored for up to a week in an airtight container.
They are really good. Really chewy on the inside. Happy making and happy eating.
Goes perfectly with a cup of coffee.